everyone, I'm Naina from Korea. Welcome to Korean Real Beauty. Hi! So in this video, I'm going to introduce Korean culture, mostly related to heritage and history. Before starting my channel, I would like to introduce myself first. So my name is Naina. Hi. And I am currently doing my PhD course at the Korean National University of Cultural Heritage. My major is Heritage Management. Thanks to my major, I am always exposed to culture and heritage. So I would like to introduce Korean culture as many as I can, and I hope you'll find the real beauty of Korea from this video. This video, I think it would be really helpful for not only for the people who plan to visit Korea, but also for the people who are simply interested in other countries' culture, especially Korea. Anyway, enjoy my videos and comment me to ask anything about Korean culture and heritage. See you in the next video. Bye bye.